5 ways to earn money online from TikTok. Please like video and subscribe our channel Earn Online with Rabina for more video. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short-form videos, usually between 15 and 60 seconds in length. The app is popular among a wide range of users, from teenagers to adults, and has become particularly known for its music and dance videos. 1. Creating sponsored content. Many brands and businesses are now using TikTok to advertise their products and services. As a popular TikTok user, you can earn money by creating sponsored content for these brands. 2. Influencer marketing. Another way to earn money on TikTok is to become an influencer. As an influencer, you can work with brands to promote their products and services to your followers. 3. Live streaming. TikTok also has a live streaming feature, which allows users to broadcast live to their followers. As a popular TikTok user, you can earn money by live streaming and accepting virtual gifts from viewers. 4. E-commerce. You can also use TikTok to promote and sell your own products or services. 5. TikTok Partner Program. TikTok has a program where creators can monetize their content through in-app purchases, brand deals, and other revenue streams. To be eligible for the program, you need a large following and engaging content. Thanks for watching.